Hey guys, Sachin here. So if you're using BuilderAll and if you want to see how to send out emails using BuilderAll email autoresponder, this is going to be the video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get BuilderAll as an option, as an email autoresponder to use in your affiliate marketing business, and how you can use it to send out emails to your subscribers list. Now, this is one of the good option which I recently found out, and I think is probably going to be a good option for a long term. So I wanted to share because a lot of people don't know exactly how to send out emails using BuilderAll. Okay, now we're going to be doing a software demo which where I'm going to be sending out emails, one email. We're going to be doing a broadcast, and we will see that the email is landing in this update column. Okay, now BuilderAll is not just an email autoresponder. Is basically a website builder. It's a lead page builder. You can have a lot of options over here. There's a lot of things inside it, just one platform. And mailingboss, which is an email autoresponder, which is connected to BuilderAll. Okay, so if you see over here in the app section, there are a lot of things over here. You can have you can see a video funnel builder, hosting. You can have one domain depending on what plan you get, one domain, 3 domains. So you can also connect your existing hosting plan within BuilderAll. Okay, so if you have domain from different company and a hosting from different company, you can basically get this as a services like a hosting. Okay, so let's see the software demo to send out emails using BuilderAll. So this is basically the BuilderAll dashboard over here. So what you want to do is go to apps and then go to this emails and engagement, and here mailingboss 5.0. You want to click on this, and then you're going to be landed onto this page. This is a mailingboss, which is basically the email autoresponder which is connected with BuilderAll. So okay, over here you can basically first you want to do is connect your domain. So if you have a domain, you can connect it using over here, and then put some details into the cPanel. Okay, there are a lot of videos on how to do it. Okay, so what it will do is it will increase your deliverability. Okay, they have their own from email, but if you use your domain like support@yourdomainname.com or like help@yourdomainname.com, the delivery will be really good. Okay, so try to use your domain. Okay, I would highly recommend this. Okay, the first you want to do is go to this email section and click on all emails. Okay, so in all email section you would see all the emails which I have recently set up. Okay, now we're going to be doing is one of the offer I have picked up. We will be promoting that offer over here, and I'm going to be showing you the emails are landing in inbox straight away. Okay, let's see. So once you click on this email section, what you want to do is click on this create new email. All right, once you click on this create new emails, you're going to be landed on this page. So you want to name this whatever you are promoting. So in this case, I'm promoting an offer which is called RPM, and you want to select what kind of campaign it is. So it's a regular broadcast, so we're going to be selecting regular broadcast. Now, which list you want to send out this email? There's an option over here, so you have to click on the list and you can select which list you want. So in this case, I would select the leads list. You can select multiple lists. If you want to send emails to more than one list, you can add more list, and here you can add basically affiliate lists, all that kind of stuff. But if you don't just want to send out to one list, you just have to delete it. Okay, so you have selected a list that you want to send out emails. Now click on this save button, and that will take you to the composing page. Okay, now this is really important. Please pay attention over here. Here you have to basically first select the from email. Your name is over here. You have to select the from email over here. So you want to do is they have their own from email, but I would recommend you to get your domain, like I said, because the delivery is going to be absolutely phenomenal. Okay, now here is the subject line. So I have got one of the subject line over here. So I'm going to just copy it. Control C. I'm going to put my subject line over here. That's it. And then I'm going to be copying the body of the email. Okay, Control C. And I'm going to click on this or highlight this all section and paste that body. Okay, now we want to put a link over here, the affiliate link. Okay, so what you want to do is grab your affiliate link. In this case, I'm just using one of my offer, and then you have to highlight whichever text you want to hyperlink, then go to this three dot, and here is insert link. So I'm going to click on this, paste it, the link over here, and then click on this correct marker. Okay, that's it. The link is over here. Now if you want to make it a bit bold, you can make it. It's completely up to you. Again, you want to do a color change, you can click on this and you can select and choose the color. Okay, that's it, pretty much it. Okay, so everything is set up. Now you want to click on save. All right, and that's it. The email is set, and now you just want to save or save and activate. Now save, only save means it will in the draft column. Okay, and save and activate, that means it will be sent out at this time, which is the time right now. You can even schedule it whenever you want to schedule. Okay, so in this case, I'm just going to be sending out. You can test the email before you want to send out, but we will just save and activate it. You want to just look at it, everything is right, perfect. Okay, and click on save and activate. That's it. That's it. It takes literally 2 to 3 minutes to just set up this email and send it out. Okay, now we're going to be seeing in my this Gmail section, the email has arrived now. Okay, let's see. Okay, yes, that's it. Live. I have not done anything. I have not paused any video, and you can see over here, this was the email I just sent out. It has landed in my inbox. You can see over here. All right, so it's pretty awesome. You want to click on this, and it's going to take me to this offer page, which is also a really good offer if you want to promote a high converting offer on Warrior Plus. This is the offer which I would recommend because it has got a really deep funnel. Okay, this is a webinar page which I'm promoting because sometimes I think webinar page converts really well. Okay, so this is basically the offer, and this is how you have to send out emails with BuilderAll. This is really amazing. Okay, if you want to see the stats over here, you can click on this arrow and you can click on overview. Okay, when you click on overview, it will give you all the information. You can see over here one email open, which was me right now. You can see over here, if you go and click on this open, it's going to be taking us to this page where you can see over here, I just opened the email and then clicked on it. It would take me to this my IP address. Okay, so that's it. That is so simple. Now I want to share why BuilderAll. See, an autoresponder is a great way, a software tool where you can use basically to promote it, and you can get recurring income for a lifetime. So basically, I would recommend anybody who wants to have a recurring commissions over the period of long term. This BuilderAll is a great affiliate platform, okay, because it's going to be paying you for your first tier as well as the second tier. Let's say, for example, if you get BuilderAll, if you activate your account and you refer just one person to BuilderAll to use BuilderAll as an email autoresponder, let's say one person, they're going to be getting $23 per month, okay? And suppose it gives you commission on 2 tier. Okay, so suppose you get that person as an affiliate, and that person also bring in just one person, one people you have referred, and that person referred just to one person. Trust me, $47 per month up until they remain active on this builder autoresponder. So it gives you 30% commission on the first level as well as 30% commission on the second level as well. So this is unbelievable. However, gives you commission on the first level only. Get response gives you commission on the first level only. Now this is BuilderAll is basically a landing page also builder also, because they have got tons of things over here. You can connect your hosting, you can get a domain, all the pricing is there, which is something really affordable. But this is a program, affiliate program for BuilderAll, which is going to be giving you incredible income. And the second tier income, man, when it starts compounding, the results are going to be phenomenal. Okay, every single month you're going to be getting commissions on complete autopilot, because this is a tool which is needed. It's a must in affiliate marketing business. So if you're interested in BuilderAll, you can get it, my friend. It's free for 14 days. No credit card required. You can just register for free. Link is in the description, the first line. You can register for free. And let me know if you have any questions about BuilderAll. Okay. I'm using it. I'm getting my emails in the inbox. And I'm sure you would also get if you do it in a proper way. Okay. So that was my video for how to send out emails using BuilderAll email autoresponder, that is mailingboss. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye.